my corners, they don't have any hair. Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're turning, hey friends. So today's topic of discussion is my hairline. I recently got a comment saying, not asking, but saying that my hairline is receding because they looked at older videos and compared them to now and was like, yeah, your hairline's receding, and they were worried because they said they're dealing with the same thing. All I have to say is, this is my forehead. I promise y'all, my hairline is not receding. And I didn't even lay my baby hairs today because I want y'all to see my actual forehead. Like, it is what it is. This is just what it looks like. My daddy has the same forehead, and I was just blessed with this forehead. And I've always looked at this ever since I was a baby, elementary school, middle school, high school, even when I was a loose natural, even when I started my first loc journey. Like, my forehead has always been like this. And that comment really did disturb me because I'm just like, first of all, you didn't even ask if it was something that I was going through. You just kind of like told me, like, I don't be looking in the mirror every day at my hair. I'm very aware about like how my locks look, especially in the perimeters, because I definitely deal with my edges not wanting to lock up in my locks around the perimeter. I'm super aware of that, and my locks have been very consistent from day one. I'm not dealing with any type of thinning in any areas of my locks. You can see the consistency of my locks. Like, they've been the same size ever since I started them. I mean, this is a little bit thicker right here, but other than that, once my locks started to lock up, they're not thinning. They're not thinning at all on my edges. Consistency. They're a little lumpy. I can't give y'all that, but they have been consistent in size. This is the one that was in the corner, but I was like, okay, you're not gonna last right there because I just know how my edges are. So I ended up combining it very, very early in my loc journey. And then on this side, even though this is a small loc, it's still very consistent. You don't see anything thinning or anything like that. I just don't have hair right here. My forehead's just big. I did have some questionable areas up here, but I'm pretty sure that was just from my edges not wanting to lock up. But when I read that, I was like, hold on, wait a minute. I had to go back to like all my pictures and like compare my hairline to how it looks now, because I'm just like, what are you talking about? Like, at this point, you just talking just to talk. But I don't really think that person meant like to be mean or anything, but it was just like, it kind of just threw me off because I just always had this hairline. And I'm in the mirror looking at my hairline like, dang, I'm oiling my hairline. Like, you can't be saying that to me because you got me in the bathroom thinking I look like Stevie Wonder going delusional. Like, I just don't, like, you can't say that. You can't say that, okay? My hairline is just, it's okay. Like, my forehead is just big. Growing up, I was so insecure about my forehead, and back then, like, perms were in style, so everybody had perms. Nobody was doing baby hairs. So when I did become a loose natural, I started to do more baby hairs. And now that I'm locked, I can like manipulate my forehead. I can manipulate my forehead with baby hairs, honestly. I can do my baby hairs 10 different ways, and on every video you see, my forehead is gonna look different. Like, my forehead will, like, unless I don't do anything to my forehead or my edges, of course my edges aren't gonna look how they looked this time last year. So I just need y'all to know that this is what it looks like. This is what it is. No filter, no nothing, just forehead. I just have a big forehead. Just have a big forehead. So I just want y'all to understand that. Like, I don't really know how much more I can explain about my forehead, but it's just always been like this. And yeah. And that's probably like one of the main reasons why I started wearing a middle part, because it kind of just evens out my forehead. So it's not just out there like it's just like, I don't know. But it's just kind of better for me to wear my hair down in the middle part because it kind of blends the forehead together. But it's just something I've always had, and I wanted to come on here and let y'all know, because I didn't know if other people thought that like I had a receding hairline because they didn't see my baby hairs in one video, or if like, I don't know, like, I don't know what y'all's train of thought is, but I don't have a receding hairline. I have a big forehead, and some of the most beautiful women on this earth have big foreheads. I just wanted to come on here and talk about that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.